Inflation is about to steal from you in 2025, but most people will do nothing. Be smarter. Here are the under radar investments that turn inflation into your advantage. I have got the exact investments the wealthy are using to not just survive inflation but thrive in it. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly where to put your money to stay ahead. Now let's talk about why inflation is still a threat in 2025. The government may tell you that inflation is under control, but let's be real. With government spending out of control, supply chain risks, and energy prices swinging, your cash is losing value every single day. If you are just keeping money in a saving account, you are losing. So here is what you need to do. Now let's talk about the best inflation beating investments for 2025. If we talk about the real estates, that's the ultimate inflation hedge. Real estate has crushed inflation for decades, and 2025 is no different. With rents rising and home values holding up, you want exposure. If you can't buy property, real estate investment trusts pay fat dividends while growing with inflation. Now let's talk about stocks with pricing power. These are the silent winners. Not all stocks survive inflation. You want companies that raise prices without losing customers. Think consumer staples, luxury brands, and tech giants. These businesses thrive when costs go up. Now let's talk about another important investment, commodities and energy. These are the inflation shock absorber. When inflation spikes, hard assets win. Gold is the classic play, but don't sleep on oil, copper, and even uranium. These are the raw materials the world needs, no matter what money worth. Next one is TIPS and I bonds. These are the safe play. If you want safety, Treasury inflation protected securities and I bonds adjust with the inflation. It seems boring, maybe, but they are bulletproof way to protect your cash. The next top investment to beat 2025 inflation is international markets, and that's the hidden gem. The US dollar wouldn't stay strong forever. Diversify into emerging markets and strong foreign currencies to hedge against a weakening dollar. But here is the number one mistake people make, waiting too long to act. Inflation doesn't care if you are ready. The time to position your portfolio is now. Even small moves today compound into huge savings later. If you want to win in 2025, you need a plan. Smash that like button if you are ready to fight inflation. And drop a comment with your top pick and subscribe because next week I'm revealing the number one stock to buy before inflation explodes again. Don't miss it.